In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an iPhone shortcut for Notion to quickly add notes and tasks. We'll use the built-in Shortcuts app on your iPhone, so there's nothing extra to install. This setup lets you capture ideas in seconds and send them straight into a specific Notion database. You can trigger it from a widget, a home screen icon, a back tap gesture, or even the action button on supported iPhone models. Start by opening the Shortcuts app and creating a new shortcut. We'll begin with a simple prompt so you can type the content you want to send to Notion each time you run it. Search for the action called Ask for Input and add it. Rename the prompt to something helpful, like, Enter Note Title, or, What's the task? So it's clear what you'll type when the shortcut runs. Next, add the Notion action. In the action search bar, type Notion, then choose an option such as Create a Document or Create and Open a Page, depending on what you prefer. This is what actually creates a new page in your Notion workspace. Now, configure the Notion action. You'll need the database ID for the database where you want the new page to land. Paste that into the database field. You may also need to provide your Notion integration secret so shortcuts can securely talk to your workspace. Only use your own integration and keep that key private. If Notion asks you to choose properties like title or content, that's normal. This is where you tell Notion how to store the information. Connect your prompt to Notion by setting the variable from Ask for Input as the value for the relevant property, like the page title or the body text. This way, whatever you type when the shortcut runs becomes the content in Notion. If your database has required properties, make sure the Notion action fills those too, or the page won't be created. Give your shortcut a clear name so you can find it quickly. You can also add optional actions to enrich your workflow, such as setting a priority field or assigning today's date. When you're happy with it, save.